Hello, everyone. Let's do the quality talking about quality. In this course, we will get to know about the basic concepts of quality without getting into too many details. It is done as to keep the learners engaged and provide a general idea to them about quality. We will pick on some well established content and terminologies without getting into their origin or specific application because I believe that for a person to continue with the quality management field, this course might be the one to light up the spark. Yet, allowing one to see his everyday life in terms of quality spectacles without the necessity of him being employed into a manufacturing facility. All right, let's begin. What comes to your mind when you see these photographs? If you have a paper pen, I will request to write down what is coming into your mind. Regardless of what your experiences are with any of these, but the one thing that really happens is you instantly recognize most of them. So the big question here is why do you recognize them? I think every student must have heard name of Harvard University at some time and would have wished to be its a student. If some expert compare new car features with that of Mercedes, it definitely is something. The very best among healthcare providers is the Mayo Clinic. Some other examples to solidify the concept. Have you seen any digging going around you? Then you must have read CAT written over the machinery. Caterpillar, a leader in construction machinery. The iconic jeans photograph should have flashed the name of the brand even if it isn't readable here. And the Apple, a precedent setter in the industry. The point I am trying to make here is that these names have been a source of satisfaction for their customers. So when you consistently deliver a high quality product or service, your name becomes an alternate to quality standards in the field. This was just to give a feel of quality to you.